Do you want to know the secret to writing copy that converts? In this video, we'll teach you how to grab your audience's attention and deliver compelling copy that inspires action. Welcome to Skill Snap, where you skill up, one snap at a time. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get yourselves updated with fresh skill-building content, all for free. Before we dive into the specifics of persuasive copywriting, let's first understand the psychology behind it. Persuasion is all about influencing the beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors of people. The more we understand the factors that drive human behavior, the better equipped we are to write copy that persuades. One of the key psychological factors that impact persuasion is social proof. People are naturally drawn to what others are doing and saying. If you can demonstrate that others have benefited from your product or service, then you'll be more likely to persuade potential customers to convert. Another psychological factor is the principle of scarcity. People tend to place a higher value on things that are scarce or exclusive. Using scarcity in your copywriting can help to create a sense of urgency and encourage potential customers to take action before it's too late. Next is using emotional triggers in copywriting. Emotions play a significant role in how we make decisions. Therefore, it's no surprise that incorporating emotions into your copywriting can be a powerful way to persuade potential customers. Emotional triggers are the key to tapping into the persuasive power of emotions. One common emotional trigger is fear. People are more likely to take action if they believe that not doing so will lead to negative consequences. For example, if you are selling a home security system, you could use fear to persuade potential customers by highlighting the dangers of not having a security system in place. Another emotional trigger is desire. People are more likely to take action if they believe that doing so will lead to positive outcomes. For example, if you are selling a weight loss supplement, you could use desire to persuade potential customers by highlighting the benefits of losing weight and how your supplement can help achieve those benefits. Third on the list is learning to incorporate storytelling techniques. Stories are a powerful tool for persuasion. Stories not only capture people's attention but also help to form connections with the audience. By weaving a compelling story into your copy, you can capture your audience's attention and persuade them to take action. One effective way to incorporate storytelling into your copywriting is by using the hero's journey format. This format involves taking the reader on a journey, where they encounter obstacles and challenges before ultimately achieving success. By telling a story that follows the hero's journey format, you can create a powerful emotional connection with your readers and persuade them to take action. Lastly, highlighting benefits and solving pain points. When it comes to persuasive copywriting, it's important to highlight the benefits of your product or service. People want to know what they'll gain by taking action. If you can clearly articulate the benefits of your product or service, you'll be more likely to persuade potential customers to convert. It is equally important to address the pain points of your potential customers. Pain points are the problems that your potential customers are looking to solve. By addressing these pain points, you can show potential customers that your product or service solves their problems and make them more likely to convert. Now that you have the tools to create persuasive copy, don't be afraid to think outside the box and experiment with different techniques. Remember, the power of words can make or break a sale. So go ahead, Put your newfound skills to the test and watch as your copy comes to life with results you never thought possible. Thank you for tuning in to SkillSnap. Make sure to like and subscribe for more valuable tips. I'll see you in the next video.